Safety Talk 77. Cleanliness and safety. Keeping the plant clean is a very important part of any company's safety plan. It's not just about giving workers a nicer place to work. The real purpose is to protect the life and health of everyone on site. When a work area is clean and organized, you can work there more safely. One of the leading causes of falls is waste and debris scattered around the shop. Try stepping on a 1-inch pipe. Chances are you'll end up on the ground. Scrap, waste, and unused materials often fill the aisles and block access through the workplace. Also keep in mind, papers, greasy rags, sawdust, and other trash can easily start a fire. Cleanliness matters. Safety staff often insist on this point, and for good reason. But in some places, people still think cleaning is only done when workers have nothing better to do. That mindset is outdated. Today, with proper work planning, workers always have something to do. So cleaning must be part of the work plan. Also remember, there is a right way and a wrong way to clean a workspace. Warning sign: gasoline is not a cleaning agent. Never use it to remove grease from tools or equipment. Fires have started in plants because someone ignored this rule. Special attention to cleanliness is needed during renovations or construction work. These situations often involve many workers, maintenance crews, tools, and time pressure. Everyone is rushing to get the job done. That's exactly when safety must stay a top priority. Order and cleanliness during these moments will speed up the work and reduce the chance of accidents. Cleanliness means more than just removing trash. It also includes maintaining important items in good condition. For example, painting tanks and metal objects prevents rust and makes them last longer. But keeping useless materials just to preserve them serves no purpose. In many warehouses, hardware stores, gas stations, refineries, and other places, you can find storage areas filled with unused items, many of which are completely worthless. These materials take up valuable space, and even worse, they create fire hazards. A good cleaning program is not optional. It's essential for safety, for efficiency, and for protecting everyone at work.